Army hearties, you are a famous pirate living in the year 1700. You have acquired many treasures during your pirating career, but there is one treasure you desire above all others, the infamous Blackbeard's bounty, rumored to be filled with riches beyond any pirate's wildest dreams. You are obsessed with making this treasure your own. During a recent expedition in the Caribbean, you managed to obtain a map of the island where Blackbeard's bounty is buried. Accompanying the map is a list of precise directions which lead to the exact location of the hidden treasure. All you need to do is follow the map, locate Blackbeard's bounty, and retire from the pirating life for good. Alright, so you need to create a map of the island where Blackbeard's bounty is buried, and we're going to be, we can just write a couple of directions on your map to say to where it is, and you're going to swap a map and see if your friend can follow the directions on the map. Important things about the map is that they must have these: a title with the name of your island, a compass point showing north, an appropriate scale of your choice, an outline of the island, at least 5 landmarks drawn on the map and represented by a legend or key, an X marking the location of Blackbeard's bounty. What you need to do is that you just need to make sure that you do understand it. So please read through it and check. So you can check with your teacher to see what else you need to do. It's really important to be able to brainstorm an idea. Have some ideas before you actually start drawing on the sheet that's in your maths booklet. You want to make sure that you've got an idea first. You don't want to draw something and then decided that you don't want it because you didn't like it. So brainstorm first. Now, deciding on a scale for your map, because it's a grid, you can have, say, that one grid space can be worth, like, it's about 1 centimetre, and that maybe you could say every 1 centimetre on the map is 10 metres. There's a scale on one of the Scoodle games that you played. Of course, then you will need to draw and colour your island map. So make sure that you include all the features that was mentioned. So title, scales, legends, and there was the compass as well, just a pointing north. It doesn't have to be a full compass rose, but just an arrow pointing up saying north. Then you need to write a list of directions leading to the bounty. So you don't have a scroll provided, but just on the blank page next to where you've drawn your map, you can write them there. So, for example, you might decide that your map is going to be an alphanumeric map. So you might say, you might begin at, say, D7 or something like that. Or maybe you'd like to use the locations of go west 10 metres, which would really be 1 centimetre. So see if your friend will be able to, or mum or dad or brother or sister will be able to follow the maps, because you're going to be giving that to them. All right, so you will need coloured pencils. So here's a page that you can use to brainstorm your map. So have a think of those. And your page looks like this, where you will need to draw your map. Now, the island doesn't have to take up the whole entire square, but it'd be good to be able to have a fair chunk of it on there, because you want to be having 5 different locations on your map. Now, there is also a reflection that you will do. It's not in your book, but it will be on assignments. So once you have finished all of this, you are to complete the assignment and fill that in. All right, well, have fun.